a taste of goodness. Okay guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Vanell Cooks, and today I'll be sharing the recipe for this delicious goat's meat slice soup, also known as Aponkye Nkrakra in some parts of Ghana. Now this is a crowd favorite, yo. Once you say Aponkye Nkrakra, you are in for the kill, okay? It is a super easy soup to make and very versatile. It can be enjoyed with a variety of sides such as fufu, banku, kinky, and rice. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, please do the needful so we can get to it. Have you done it? Good, let's get right to it. So here I have some chopped up onions and habaneros, cumin seeds, rosemary, aniseed, garlic paste, ginger paste, and some Maggie cube. Let's get started. So to a blender, I'll add my chopped up onions and habaneros. To that, I'll add all of my spices, including my garlic and ginger paste. Add enough water and give that a blend. So here I'm just pouring my blended up ingredients onto my neatly cleaned goat meat. Add enough salt because this should be the saltiest part of your cooking, and bring that to a boil. So while that is going, I'm just going to go ahead and prep my vegetables. So I just poured my hot water into my cooking pot. So I'm going to add my vegetables to the hot water I just poured and bring that to a boil as well. So checking on our meat, it has cooked beautifully. It smells so good. It smells good right now. You can see there's still some liquid around it, which is helping to tenderize the meat and maintain its flavor. I almost forgot my bay leaf, but hey, better late than never, right? Checking on our vegetables, it has cooked beautifully and it is ready for all the action. Okay, so I'm just going to get them out of the cooking pot, allow it to cool a bit, add my tomato paste to it, add some water and give that a blend. Yes, so checking on our meat again, it is good, it is well done, it is tender. So as you can see, the liquid around it has thickened up pretty well, which indicates it is ready. So now I'm just going to go ahead and strain my blended up ingredients into what we already have going on in the pot, i.e. our flavorful base and meat. Rinse out your blender, pour that in, add some more water because it is light soup, but add to your preference. Some people want it slightly thick, not thick, but then you know what I mean. So if you don't want it too light, you add less. If you want more, just go for it, okay? So give that a good stir, make sure everything is okay, and leave that on for just about 20 minutes, okay? Keep in mind that goat meat is really tough, and so it needs all the time it can get to soften up. So it's been 20 minutes and our soup is going strong. It looks good, it smells good, it tastes incredible. So just go ahead and give it a good stir. Taste for salt, cover it up and bring it to a boil for an additional 8 minutes. It's been 8 minutes now, and I'm just going to go ahead and scrape off the sides of my cooking pot, incorporate that into my soup because hey, that is all my flavor right there, okay? Then go right ahead and pop in some habaneros for some more heat. Leave that to simmer for just about 5 minutes, and voila, food is ready for enjoyment. And it is serving time. Oh my goodness, you can go ahead and enjoy this with a variety of sides like kinky, banku, fufu, rice, whichever. Look at that. It smells so good, it looks so good, and I'm ready to dig in. So I enjoyed mine with some leftover white rice that I had, and it was good. I really do hope you enjoyed cooking with me today because I sure did enjoy the cooking myself. Until I see you next time, bye.